Here we are on the CapCut web page creating marketing videos. Usually takes a lot of time. You need images, you need videos, you need editing softwares, and you constantly switch between different tools. That workflow slows everything down. CapCut web changes by bringing everything together in one place. Now let's inside the CapCut web. I'd open the video studio, and this is where the complete workflows begin. So I was saying that Rembina Seedance 2.5, you can simply check out the Seedance 2.5 I have selected. So inside, which gives a more precise video generation and a much greater creative control. Everything from generation to editing guys happens inside one workplace. Now guys, let's create our custom skills. That is the important thing. That is one of the guys biggest features in the CapCut web is custom skill. You can simply guys open the skills section and you can check out inside that spinning you will creative preference guys. Every single time you need you can create your own reusable AI skill. Think of it teaching the AI how you like to create videos for this project guys. I'll create a custom skill for my portable blender marketing campaign. Simply guys, you can check out the two options: upload a skill or create a chat. So I select simply by creating a chat. Then guys, I will give them instructions across everything. So I need to put my prompt there. This is what guys I want. So simply generating AI assets use clean wood guys product lightning, keep the product centered and create modern marketing visuals. That is it I want to be create a skill. Simply we can click on the send option and actually once everything is ready, I will simply save the skill. You can click on it. And now every time I start a new project, I can reuse the custom skills inside writing by same instructions again. Simply click on the guys skills again. You will see the skills are there. That makes the workflow much faster while keeping every project of visuals consistent. So now let's create the AES videos. I'll start this simple prompt describing my portable blender. Within a minute, CapCut web creates multiple high-quality marketing visuals for us. Now this I'm going to give the prompt to them to create a 30-second video for us. I have described every scene I want in my marketing videos, and let's see what kind of result we got from them. So simply I click on the by send button and immediately CapCut web guys started working on this, and let's see how much time they consume and what kind of response they get from them. So guys, here is our video is ready. First of all, let's watch this. Instead of creating just one version, I can generate multiple creative variations for different marketing content. That makes it much easier to test different styles and ideas without starting from scratch. That was the amazing video we got from them guys. You have seen that. That was the amazing thing guys. We received it as a video. So now guys, let's do the third step, that is precise control. Guys, now my favorite feature is to improve control. I can adjust specific part of the video. If you wanted to adjust specific part of the video, you can simply describe in our via guys prompt. Then instead of changing the whole, you can simply refine it the specific part. And also guys, the Rembina Seedance 2.5 guys can support up to 50 reference images. You can simply select the images, reference or the videos you wanted to be added in a video. You can simply select that as well. That can guys style consistent throughout the project and make the control and accountability useful and larger creative projects. Once the ASFs are ready, I will move into the multi-tracking editing time. And there guys, you can check out I can generate videos, images, captions, music, transitions inside the workspace. You can check out we have many kind of options. We can add the templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transitions, effect, and guys transformations filters there. Now guys, if you wanted to add the music in each video, we can simply move the first music, and then we can add any kind of music we want. We can simply add that music there, and the music will be added in our video. Now guys, second thing, if you wanted to add the effect in starting of your video, we can simply select the guys attack there. So let's put this attack there. So you can check out of applying the effect. You can check out this is the effect we got of the guys it. And let's see, the video looks good. Now guys, if you wanted to add the captions, we will simply click on the auto caption button and you can click on the simply pro or generate button, and guys, a caption will be generated there. That was the easy thing. You can simply add it. Now guys, if you wanted to guys generate and export the video, main changes is quickly initiative. Instead of repeating the same errors, we can simply define multiple elements immediately and keep our workplace organized. Simply guys, we can click on the export version, and then we can simply click on our download one and export it guys to your PC. That takes just within up 2 seconds and export in our guys gallery. So now let's perform the final thing, that is refine and extend. Tremendously, the Seedance 5 allows guys make it easier to refine your videos. You can extend your video up to 90 seconds as well. You can simply click on the guys video, generated video there, and then guys we can simply click on there, and if you wanted to extend the video to 3 minutes or more, you can simply click on it. Then guys you can simply select the specific video or guys extend your video to 3 minutes and simply click on extend version. So this helps turn rough ideas into polished marketing content without leaving CapCut Web.